YouTube is only showing a few videos and then stops loading more content? This tutorial will show you a few quick fixes that can help. First, open your phone settings and go to Apps. Then, after, go to App Management. Tap on it. Now, find and select YouTube from the list of installed apps. Next, tap on Storage or Storage Usage, then select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing YouTube feed loading issues. Then go to the Play Store, open it. After that, you can open the YouTube app again to check whether the problem has been fixed. If YouTube is already updated on your device and there's no update button available in the App Store or Play Store, then you're already using the latest version. In that case, there's nothing else you need to update. Keep in mind that sometimes YouTube runs server-side tests or temporary changes that can affect how many videos appear in your home feed, shorts feed, or recommendations section. Since these changes happen on YouTube servers, they can't be fixed through your device settings. If the issue is caused by a server-side update, you'll simply need to wait for YouTube to resolve it automatically. That's all for this tutorial. Hopefully your YouTube feed is working normally again and showing more videos as expected. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more YouTube troubleshooting tutorials.